morning, students. So, in the previous topic, we have discussed about the combination of resistors. Okay, so there were basically two methods. First was series combination, and second is parallel combination. Okay, now generally in our houses and in the industries, we are connecting the electrical devices in the parallel combination, and for small arrangements. For example, if you have to light a small bulb, okay, with a cell or a small battery, then we are connecting directly the bulb with a battery and with a switch. Okay, so that is a series combination. Or you can take one more example of a series combination. For example, we are having the fairy lights, okay, which is used for decoration in the marriages and in the parties. You have checked that in a single wire there are so many bulbs connected, so that is the example of a series combination. Okay, now what is going to happen if one bulb will be defective in that whole series of bulb? What will happen? Suppose in the middle, if one bulb is fused, then the rest of the bulbs, they will not work. Okay, so that is the first you can say disadvantage of the series combination. Suppose if we will connect all the devices in the series combination in our houses, means in a single wire we will connect all the electrical devices. Okay, if one of the device like fan, bulb, TV, AC, fridge, we have connected with a single wire. Suppose the bulb gets fused, then the whole circuit will break up and the current will not pass through all the electrical devices and the electrical devices will not work. That means the circuit will break and it will be, you can say, open circuit. Okay, so the current will not flow in that condition. Clear? So that is why we are using the parallel combination, because in parallel combination we are having the different pathways for the different electrical devices. We can understand more clearly with the help of the two diagrams. As you can see here, this is R1, R2 and R3. These are the three resistors. As I have told you that resistors in the language of physics, जो devices हैं, they are called the resistors. Clear? So suppose this is first bulb, this is second bulb, and this is the third bulb, or you can say R1, R2 and R3. Clear? So this is a battery and we have connected with a key. So when you will close the circuit, that means you will switch it on, the current will pass from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, and then it will enter in the first bulb, then into the second bulb, then into the third bulb, that is through the resistor R3, and then finally it will come out through the resistor R3 and it will move towards the negative terminal. Okay, so in this way the whole circuit is complete. Now suppose if the second bulb gets fused, then what will happen? The current will not pass through the R2 and it will not move to the third resistor R3, and it will not also move towards the negative terminal. That means the whole circuit will not be completed and it will be break up, and in that condition the current will not flow. Okay, how it happens? Because if we have seen the bulb, it is like this. There are the two endpoints. Okay, एक एंड पॉइंट यहाँ होता है, एक एंड पॉइंट यहाँ होता है, and inside the bulb we have a filament. Clear? And these filaments are, you can say, connected with these two endpoints. Okay, and these two endpoints are connected with a battery or a cell which is providing the current to this bulb. So when you will switch it on, this key, the current will pass from positive terminal to the negative terminal, then it will first end in the first end point of the bulb, then it will go to the filament, and from through the filament it will enter into the second end point, and then it will pass to the negative terminal of a circuit. Okay, now if the bulb gets fused, what will happen? करंट तो यहां से जाएगा आपका पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से, लेकिन क्योंकि ये पाथ यहां से ब्रेक हो चुका है, तो जब आपका करंट पॉजिटिव से मूव करेगा इस वायर के थ्रू, then it will enter into the first end point and then it will move through the filament. But as you can see, this filament is broken here, so the current will not move to the second end point of this bulb,